Kanino kaya to? Nakita ko lang to nung nilalabas ko na yung basura sa trash can kanina.
Dalhin mo na lang sa pawn shop bukas.
Hindi pwede. Merong may-ari nito.
Anong ginagawa niyo rito? Walang trabaho?
Tapos na po kaming maglinis, ma'am.
Awian na pala. Ano yung hawak mo?
Nilalabas ko po yung basura kanina, Ma'am Piril. Tapos nakita ko ang singsing na to, nahalo dun.
Kay Ada ang ring na to.
Kasi kasama ko si Miss Tugje nung kinausap namin yung manager ni Kuzebate. And kilala ng contact ni Miss Tugje yung manager kaya I assumed na he could be trusted.
Whoa! Wow. Did you really go to the meeting with Miss Tucci by your side, huh? Was she there to hold your hand? Ang galing naman. Bravo. What a loving boss who truly cares about her employees. Kaso lang, palpak pa rin. And Tucci, she didn't help.
His manager misled us. Kasi if not,
But you let yourself be deceived. You were so gullible. You were not like this before. What happened? Is this your new boss's fault? She really changed you for the worst. Nasaan na yung dating ikaw, Ada? Where is Ada Tuzun, the girl boss? Huh? Do you know what's in front of me now? Ask me. Ask me what's in front of me now.
what do you see?
A disappointment. That's what's in front of me. Here she is, my competent assistant, Piril.
I brought you the file you requested, Mr. Bora.
Thank you, my dear assistant. Good job as always.
Good to see you too, Ada. I found your ring pala. Eto.
Hey, what ring is that? Kanino yan?
Sa lola ko.
Sa lola mo?
Pinamana ng lola ko ang singsing na to kaya may sentimental value to kaya suot ko yan kaso bigla na lang nawala.
Really?
Mabuti na lang nakita ni Piril ang singsing ko. Salamat pala. The hype is real. You are the best assistant ever.
I already want to have the lost and found box made, Mr. Bora, para naman they can look there when their belongings are lost.
I swear I'm proud of you, Pirel. Ang talino mo. And also, inquisitive. You always think of brilliant ideas. Alam mo, I'm confident when you're in charge. I have nothing to worry about. Competent ka. I can trust you. Pirel, keep up the good job. You never disappoint me. Bravo. Bravo, Pirel. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Bravo. Napakagaling niya. The best assistant ever. Really.
But that idea, nasuggest ko na yon. Anyway,
Anyway,
I'll just go ahead. And about Kuzebate, I'll try to find another way to reach him.
Ada, sandali lang. To help you find Kuzebate this time around, I will give you an expensive compass. Since ang weak ng sense of direction mo, if you can't find where he is, that compass will help you find him.
I am going to find him. You wait and see.
I hope you do.
Thank you. Bumalik ka na. Thank you. Ang singsing ko. Teka, singsing ko ba to? Oh my gosh. Hindi to ang singsing ko. Nasaan na yung singsing ko? Nako naman. Saan na napunta ang singsing ko? At kaninong singsing tong hawak ko? Naku, sana mali ang iniisip ko. Lagot na. Yung singsing.
What happened?
Kasi, Miss Tugje, yung manager na si Murat nagsinungaling sa atin.
Paano naman?
Si Kuzebate nasa Istanbul last night, may concert siya.
This is the last thing I need right now. I'm dealing with a lot of things as it is. Kainis naman?
I swear this is not good.
It's so annoying.
Bakit di mo kasi tinago na maayos ang singsing mo?
Ang kapal mo talaga. Kunin mo to! Kunin mo to! Ipagpalit mo ngayon na. Bilis.
Naku naman, ang kulit mo. Hindi pa maganda ang timing mo, nakakainis ka. Mr. Jalal, merhaba. I'm in a meeting right now. Should I call you later?
Bilis!
Tamam, salamat talaga. Bye.
Bilis, iswitch mo na. Kilos.
Tamam, akong bahala.
Ikaw ang bahala? Ikaw talaga? Aba, siguraduhin mo lang. Kasi kapag hindi ka kumilos, malalagot tayo. Nandun lang naman pangalan natin. Sige na, kilos na. Bilis. Iwan mo yan.
Kaka-stress naman.
Tamam, that's fine. Work on this, then give it to me later.
Tamam, we'll work on it.
Good luck with that.
Uy, boss. How are you?
I'm good, Roscar. How are you?
I'm fine, pero gusto ko sana magpatulong sa inyo.
How can I help?
It's about my engagement ring. Medyo mamurahin kasing nabili ko at nakakaya naman kay Tucha na ganun lang yung binigay ko. And Tucha deserves nothing but the best. So tanong ko lang, do you know any place where I can buy a new ring?
I know one at matagal ng client ang family ko.
Well, do you have time para samahan ako dun bukas?
Let me do you a favor. Yung jeweler, papapuntahin ko rito.
Seryoso ba?
Seryoso ako.
You're the best talaga. Thank you.
I'll inform you anong oras bukas.
Tamam.
Ay, nasa na ba si Ada? Bakit naman sila magkasama umuwi? Good evening po, Mr. Bora.
Auntie Yasemin, ang sweet mo naman. Inabangan mo talaga ako sa pinto. May problema ba?
Ang problema ko, bakit kayo magkasama umuwi? Kulang na lang mag-holding hands kayo. Umamin ka, may something ba kayo, ha? Hindi ka pwede magsinungaling sa akin, ha?
Auntie Yasemin, may work na ulit ako. Tapos na duty ko, umuwi ako, nakasabay ko siya. May problema ba tayo doon?
So totoo nga na bumalik ka doon at ikaw na yung assistant tong Tugche na yon.
Si Efren. Siyang chismosong nagsabi, no?
Hindi na mahalaga kung sinabi sa akin ni Efren o kung sino man ang tanong bakit ka bumalik doon. Sagot!
Auntie Yasemin, hindi ba ikaw ang may concern kung paano to ipapaliwanag kay Auntie Nergis at natakot tayo na may mangyari sa baby? Ngayon, wala nang paliwanagan pa. May trabaho ko, masaya naman ako. Yun na yun.
Ada, wala naman, baby.
Exactly, yun nga yung babe.
Wala talagang baby.
Anong sabi mo?
Nagkamali ako, walang baby. Yun nga.
I hope you'll like it, darling.
Ano bang nangyayari dito? May nakalimutan naman ang gamit nila.
Did you find anything?
Miss Tugche, I looked at all the news regarding Kusei Baten na nakita ko sa internet. I searched hanggang sa dulo ng search engine results. At eto lang ang nakuha ko. Halos wala.
I also reached out to some connections in case something might come up. Wala rin.
Ay, lalabas din siya. Mahanap natin siya. We'll look everywhere, Miss Tugche. Don't worry, we'll find him. Kumapit ka lang. I'll conduct that interview, Miss Tugche.
Ada. Ada! She's gone. Nakatulog na. Pinapagod ko ba siya masyado?
Evet! Ready na ako.
What's going on? Why are you dressed like that?
I have a thing to do, Mr. Bora.
You have a thing to do. Your thing is to interview that singer Kusei Ada.
Mr. Bora, sana lang magtiwala kayo kahit konti lang.
Trust you? I don't think so.
Maghintay ka lang. I'll prove you wrong.
Nagkamali na ako sa'yo once, Ada. No need to add more reasons. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
I will do that interview, Mr. Bora. You just wait. I will prove myself to you.
Ano to? Heartbox? Para sa akin ba talaga to? Mukhang this is for me nga. Ang ganda naman ng mirror na to. Ang ganda-ganda ko naman. Ang kanino kaya galing to? Let's see if there's a note here.
Look carefully in this mirror, and you will see the most beautiful person in the world every time.
Ali. Si Mr. Ali? May gusto sa akin. Si Mr. Ali? Wait! Stop here. Dito ka na mag-park.
Miss Tuche, sa tingin mo okay dito mag-park? Kasha ba?
Yvette dear, ang liit ng car mo. It fits everywhere.
May point ka.
I
Perfect
told you
parking
so.
spot. It's time to fulfill our mission. Saan tayo pupwesto?
Over there, over there.
Yvette, nandito na tayo.
Ada, are you sure this is the right place?
Miss Tuche, I'm sure. 100% sure. Don't worry. Miss Tuche, tingnan mo. Nandun yung kotse niya. Black na car. At yung plate number niya, KW. Ayun nga, tama. Yun talagang kotse niya. Walang duda.
Yes, kotse nga niya! Let's go na!
Siya nga.
Takbo!
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2.
Is this how you run? Come on, bilisan mo! Mr. Ali!
Sino yan?
Mr. Ali!
Good night din, Peril. Kamusta naman?
I'm good. How about you?
Ayos naman ako. Ano yan? Salamin pala. Ang ganda naman, parang magic mirror sa fairy tale. Kanino pala yan galing?
Regalo sa akin. Huwag ka na mag-pretend dyan.
Miss Peril, ang totoo kasi, itong regalo kasi, hindi
Mr.
yan
Ali.
dapat.
Thank you very much sa gift mo. Actually, this is the first time in my life na nakatanggap ako ng regalo na may kasamang sweet na message.
About the message, how do I explain this?
Ali!
Celine. Good night din.
Kunay din.
Miss Peril, wait lang kasi itong regalo na to, I don't know what happened, but it was actually meant.
Hello? Tamam, I'm coming right away, Mr. Bora. I'm on my way. Work lang ako, ha? But wait for me here, okay? Usap tayo later.
Tumawag kasi si Bora. Siya na kasi yung assistant niya. Ang bilis na kumilos, no? Good night din.
Kunay din.
Anong coffee flavor yan?
Oh my gosh. Miss Tuche! Miss Tuche! Miss Tuche! Miss Tuche!
What, Ada? Bakit ka sumisigaw?
Miss Tuche, talaga bang ginagawa mo to every morning dahil gusto mo lang gawin?
Both morning and evening. You better start doing it too para lumakas ka naman. Ano, kaya mo pa?
Hindi talaga ako mahilig sa sports. Mas lalo na yung tatakbo-takbo ka lang.
Paano na? What?
Look, nandito siya. Siya yan, si Kuzibate. Halos maubos man hininga ko pero nakita natin siya. Siya yan mismo live in the flesh.
I can't believe it! No one has seen him outside of his concert. Siya ba talaga si Kuzebate? Kuzebate?